I tried this trend on my father.
Daddy.
We are calling daddy, daddy, you know.
Oh, yeah, alright. We just a check pike. I mean, yesterday they kill two Batman. So just a check to see if we're good.
What is all about? I want a bomb like this in my life. No, man. What is all about? I'm really going to see my cover. About your ass. So you're a Batman? I am a tell us so. Tell us to chat over fucking much.
Part 2. Daddy reaction when he got home.
Fucking out of that face now. I think I'm going to get a bomb with that face.
Well, I mean, oh, you never say,
Remember this. I mean, I'm fucking about this. So
why you say I must have man tell you that? Don't do that.
There's a do Batman day. I didn't check for me. Check for me, I'm bomb boy. I check for your man there. Your man, my Batman, me a Batman. Face is on fuck.
Jesus Christ!
Good morning to every tight pussy girl. Keep it up. Girl, pussy fit tight and good. Good morning.
This is the last time I'm going to tell you guys that Jamaica is not the only place in the Caribbean, alright?
Who gonna tell her? You gonna tell her? I'll tell her. Jamaica, something special about the place. Only place people think of when you mention the Caribbean, Jamaica.